Hello my friends. So, time for another video, right? You guys missed me. Nah, just kidding. So, this video is actually gonna be something that I think is kind of pretty cool just to see, and I wish there was a little bit more videos like that on YouTube. It's pretty much the video I'm gonna make is what kind of toolkit you have in your car, especially like your classic car. Like, what do you got in there? What keeps it alive type of deal, and what do you have for some effed up situations if something does go out in the car. So first of all, cheers to all of you guys. The beer of choice today is a Longboard Hawaiian beer. Really good stuff. And cigar of choice is again my cheap Padillas. I like those. They're good cigars. Alright, so the current question is gonna be this little guy over here, 64 Impala. So I'm gonna go over. Actually, I should probably grab a flashlight for the trunk. We're gonna go in the trunk of this bad boy. Oh man, it's a little bit tight in here. That's what she said. Oh, let's see if I can get to this. Alright. Actually, it's fairly bright in here. Let's see if I can do another light in here. That's probably too much light. Alright. So first of all, what do I have here? Old metallic parts tray. Actually, I'm going to turn this light off. I think I'll be fine without it. Then we get jack. Then first aid kit over here. I still feel like the light should be here. Oh, sorry, technical difficulties. Complete noob here. Trying to figure out what's the best way to get this light here. Man, my lighting situation sucks. Alright, let's see if this will work. Alright, cool. So we got some antifreeze. This is our jack handle, some oil in there, spare tire, some lug nuts. Alright, and here's my old stack-on box. So this box is, I don't know, like a decade old. It's actually made in USA. That's how old this is. I don't think they make anything in USA anymore, besides some snap-on stuff. Alright, so here's kind of what we got in here. We're just gonna go slowly. So, this contraption over here. So it's a vice grip that has a screwdriver, knife, and a vice grip in there. Pretty cool. A light. That seems like it needs some new batteries. Let's see, better days there. Spark plug gapper. What we got here? We got tire pressure gauge, Phillips flathead, some just really basic ratchet, some big flathead slash pry bar, some Torx, a little box cutter knife over here, a little bit more screwdrivers, Hyper Freight DVOM. Yep. Still alive, good. Then we got some crap, brain fart. What are they called? Hose clamps, that's what it is. Another Phillips screwdriver. Then there is some spark plugs. Looks like 305 350 plus 40 gap, but I believe Impala actually is 35 gap, so that could always be changed because we got spark plug gapper. This is one of my favorite screwdrivers. It's the gear wrench. It's really good because you can tighten the hose clamps with this, and then you have your little Phillips and flatheads. You have some electrical tape, extension, quarter drive. Then we have some sockets. I think they're all made by a company called Titan, so they're very, very inexpensive. There's some bigger ones in here. Alright, now we go here. spare fuel pump, works fine, just sits in here just in case if you need it, because you never know with this old cars. Right, so this is a gear wrench set of double open-ended, oh sure, not double open-ended, the ratchet and wrenches. I don't know, I said double open-ended. One open end and one box end. And of course this is all standard stuff. Now this is, I believe, my bulbs. Yeah, so this is going to be some bulbs, just variety of bulbs for the Impala, or for most of the old Chevys actually, for that extent. So over here the more hose clamps, and then there's a bunch of zip ties in there. And then another nice box cutter. They got hex and Torx over here. Fuel filter. By the way, I'm not really a big fan of front filters, but fuel filters are pretty alright with them. And there's really not many people that make oil filters for old Chevys, at least at local auto parts stores, so Fram is usually go-to kind of, unfortunately. Oh, couple zip ties stuck to my tough tape. But a must have, you can fix radiator leaks or not radiator, hose leaks and stuff like that when you're in a pinch. So, spare PCV valve. Tell me, you can rebuild this freaking engine with this stuff in here. Hammer, Pittsburgh, Harbor Freight special, love it. So then pliers, more pliers. So for my gasket sealant, shop towel or shop rag, another vice grip, more of this hex, and then some wire, boom, a breaker bar, and just pretty much a basic like a $3 Harbor Freight set for just a metric and the Imperial standard, and that is pretty much it. And this toolbox got me out of a bunch of pinches. I mean, I had radiator hoses blow up. I had like the thermostats going out, where I had to pull out the thermostat completely and just use the gasket to well, not gasket, use this thing to pretty much seal a gasket, throw it back on, and get you home type of deal. So yeah, this is kind of my basic kit for 1964 Impala. And what's cool about this car also, the trunk is so freaking big that you can put this in here, and you can also put 5 dead bodies in here, and you still have room. So yeah, that was pretty cool. So hopefully you guys like this. Let me know if this is something you guys want to see, because I do have a toolkit in pretty much every one of my cars. Also, I was thinking maybe making a video for like a junkyard type of toolbox, so like stuff that you'll take to junkyard. Because I'm pretty specific when I bring stuff to a junkyard, and I think my kit is pretty cool. But I can definitely make the video about that if you guys are interested. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. It's kind of fairly basic and fast video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit thumbs up. Subscribe if you didn't. I am trying to upload at least 2-3 videos a week right now. So if you like my channel, definitely make sure that you guys are subscribed and hit that little notification button. If you didn't like it, well, shit, again, I'll try to do better this next time. So yeah, again, you guys, I hope you guys have a good time of day, whatever time, whatever you're watching out right now. And make sure that you let me know if there's any other videos you guys would like to see. I think we're gonna do a couple more tool review videos, because those seem to be pretty popular. So I maybe throw up another video of like the tools that I like, the tools that are good bang for the buck for just your backyard mechanic. And I think we're gonna put a couple more DIY videos within next week or so, just to see if that's something that you guys want to see also. Alright guys, have a good day, take care.